Now our model is completely finished. We'll move on to finishing the scene to get our basic render and image of the model. The first thing we'll do is create a background, and we'll do this using a box. Create a box from the top view. Make it quite big. Go to Modify, and we're going to add a modifier that we haven't seen yet, which is called Normals. What this does is flips our geometry, so what's now inside is visible and what's on the outside isn't. If we now use Edit Poly, we can get rid of these extra polygons and create a floor and a background. Let's apply Turbo Smooth. Two iterations. If you reposition it, that's the floor for our character. You just need to adjust it. Take the character and wheel group. Okay. Okay, so it's more or less in place. Now we just need to place the camera first. Go to Create, and in the fourth tab here, you have the cameras. There are different types of cameras. We'll select Target, go to the top view and make it in 2 clicks, as always. One click and another click, and that's our target. To manipulate the cameras, there are 2 control points. One is the target, so if we move from here, only the camera moves. If we move from the middle, the camera moves plus the whole target. And if we only select the target, then just that moves. To see the camera's view, go to Perspective, Cameras, Camera 1. If you press Shift F, you will see the real result, what would be the final render. So place the camera using the different views to guide us. Let's place it here. You can open Toggle Layer Explorer and see how the camera has 2 control points, the camera and the target. If we go to the camera and select Modify, there are lots of options that we won't go into right now, but you could take a look at them if you're interested. We're just going to choose a suitable lens, and that will be enough. I leave this angle, and in the next lesson we'll add some lighting to the scene and get our basic render.